Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with Banner Bank step by step clearly. To begin the process of deploying a credit card with Banner Bank, visit their official website. Locate the credit card section from the main menu. Review the various credit card options available. Select the card that best fits your financial needs or lifestyle. Click on the Apply Now button associated with the chosen credit card. Fill out the online application form with your personal information. Enter your full name, address, and contact details in the designated fields. Provide your social security number and date of birth for identity verification. Input your employment information, including your employer's name and income. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Agree to the terms and conditions as outlined by Banner Bank. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your application has been received. Monitor your email for updates on your application status. If approved, follow the instructions provided to activate your new credit card. Once activated, familiarize yourself with your card's features and benefits. Consider setting up online banking for easy management of your account. Review your spending limits and payment due dates to stay on track. Securely store your card information and protect it from unauthorized access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.